Hello everybody, today my name is Avik and in this video we're going to be seeing on how to make a website for free. So this is a app called Google Sites and there's two versions of it, classic sites and new sites. But classic sites sadly you can't create any sites in there, but new sites is the modern version of it. And in this video we're gonna make a site with this, and if you want to make a site of your own, the links in the description to this to Google Sites. And before we start, check out my news website that I created with this on in the description below. So I'm gonna over here you can select a template and you can choose a template you want, but for now I'm gonna stick to blank. So it's loading right now. And first you will have to, before we start, we will have to we have to go to themes, and then you can select the theme you like. That's why there's simple, which any color you like. There's there's many, and you can select any one you want. I'm gonna stick with simple. And now you can create your custom theme. You can create a custom theme, and first off, we're gonna see on adding things to the website. So I first you can type your page title. So you can type a page title, and you can set the website's name over here, and you can add a logo. So you can upload a logo or select a logo. That's why you can upload your logo. And now, since we did this, first we're going to see on adding things to your website. First, we're going to see you can add a text box. So you can type, you can select what type, title or heading, and you can choose any font you like. You can select any font, but the font won't work yet. So you have to highlight this and then select a font. So you can select a font over here. So now the font's added. You can type like that, and then you can add an image. You can upload and select again, and you can add this where you can add a whole site in a site. That's why if you want to add a blog in your site, you can enter the URL of the blog and then the blog will get added. That's how you can do that too. You can also go to your drive and add stuff. And here we have layouts. So if you don't see this, just click layouts, which will be here. You can close and open. The first layout is a picture and text. So the second layout, you can keep seeing this is only pictures, and if you can check out more, and we can add a collapsible group. That's why this will can collapse. That's why if you are not seeing it, it'll just vanish. If you come to it, it'll just pop up. This text again, and then you can add an image carousel, which will have two or more images, and over there you can switch from image to image like a PowerPoint PPT. That's why you can switch image to image. That's why, for example, I take this photo, just put it there. And I forgot to tell you that you can drag these things and add it wherever you want. You can drag the text, can drag this down here. That's why you can do many things over here. So this is I'm gonna explain an image carousel. So there's gonna be one image over here, and then if there'll be a next button and a back button. So if you click the next button, it's gonna switch to a new image. If you click the back button, it's gonna switch to another image. That's how image carousel is. Then you can add a button. You can type the name, and you can add the link. You can also, and a button also can be dragged wherever you want. And you can add a divider. Say I added a divider, you can drag it. Everything over here can be dragged in the website. And so if you go to your and you can publish the website over here, there's a publish option, and when you publish, you can click this for a link of your website, and you can see your website, and over there nobody can edit it. Only you can come to the edit page and edit it. If you want other people's help to edit this website, you can click this share with others, and you can add other people. And then there's a placeholder, which is again you can add anything you want. You can upload, you can select, you can go from drive. You can add a YouTube video, you can add calendar, and you can add maps. And if you want to add a YouTube video, you can see, you can search any video, or you can search a video, trial loading, and there's a lot of videos, and then you can go to upload it, and then you can see the videos that you uploaded. So these are videos I uploaded, and then you can go to calendar and you can add a calendar, any calendar from here. So you can add any calendar you want, and you can add maps or Google Map. You can select a map from anywhere you want. Select. So now you have a map view of what that was there. And you can increase the size. I increased it to a lot. And these buttons can only be working in the published site. That's why in the edit part you can't test all these buttons and all that. And you can also add a Google Docs or Google Slides, Sheets or Forms and charts. So if you want to check out my Forms video about Google Forms, you can share, the link will be in the description. And now we did all that. I am going to go scroll up and go to pages, and then there's this page called home. So you can add a new page. So I first will get to pages. I can add a page. So now there's a new page. That's why there's two buttons, home and hi. That's why if you go to home, everything in the home page will come up. But if you go to hi, then there'll be, you can name it whatever you want. You don't have to copy me. I'm not making a website. I'm just, explaining by making this weird website. And you can make this hi as, or this page as a home page. And you can duplicate the page, and you can see the properties, which is the name. And you can also add a sub page, which is a small page. Done. And so now this is under. So if I go here, there's this arrow, and you can see there's hi underneath. So this is a sub page, and you can click hide from navigation, That's why this will not allow anybody to see it unless they click a button with it. That's why if you send a put a link and the link will lead to this page, then only people can see it. And if you put a button and that button, if you click the button, it will go to this page, then only people can see it. Otherwise, it won't come in this. It will not come in this arrow. And then if this is also there for hide from navigation. And over here you can't hide from navigation and do a few more stuff to it. And that's how I add pages. So you can go to preview. So you can go to preview. This is desktop, laptop, and this is a tablet, and this is a phone. So you can see how it is in each and every one. An exit preview with that cross that was there over there, and you can undo something and you can redo something like that. And you can publish the site. And if you click more, you can see the version history, the version history, how it was before. You can make a copy and you can report a problem and you can take a tour. So that's it for this video. Bye bye.